be unboxing what my family gave me. They took the price off. They gave me Call of Duty World War II or 3. It's 2. They gave me yes. They gave me Call of Duty Black Ops. That's good. Call of Duty Infinite Warfare. That's good. Watch Dogs 2. Good. And Grand Theft Auto. And they gave me this present. Oh my god. Look what it says. Yeezy Boost 350. They come with socks. These are really cool. This is the Boost. Let me try them on if they fit good. Ooh, they're really comfortable. These are the Yeezy. This is the Boost. And that's the video for today. I hope you like or subscribe to the video. Bye.